Whether you've been gardening for years or just dipping your toes into the soil, these tips will give your garden a serious boost. Let's get started and take your green space to the next level. Coffee grounds as a fertilizer. Let's talk coffee. If you're like me, mornings just aren't complete without that warm cup of coffee. But did you know that those leftover coffee grounds can be gold for your plants? Coffee grounds are packed with nutrients, especially nitrogen, which helps plants grow lush and green. Just sprinkle them around your plants or mix them into the soil for a natural boost. Your garden will thank you. Eggshells for pest control. Next time you crack an egg, don't throw those shells away. Crushed eggshells are perfect for keeping unwanted guests like slugs and snails out of your garden. Just scatter them around your plants to create a barrier. The rough texture irritates pests, so they'll steer clear, giving your plants the space to thrive. DIY watering system with plastic bottles. Ever feel like you're constantly watering your plants? If you're like me, it can be hard to keep up, especially during those scorching summer days. Here's a handy trick. Grab a plastic bottle, poke a few holes in the cap, and bury it upside down near your plants. It'll slowly release water, keeping your garden hydrated without the hassle. Banana peels for roses. Bananas aren't just a snack for you. Your roses love them too. The potassium in banana peels are essential for helping flowers bloom bright and beautiful. Bury a couple peels around the base of your rose bushes and watch your flowers turn into a stunning display. Cinnamon to prevent disease. Here's a trick straight from the kitchen. Cinnamon isn't just for sprinkling on your coffee or oatmeal. It's also a powerful antifungal. Sprinkle some on the soil around seedlings to prevent damping off disease, a common problem for young plants. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your garden babies. Use vinegar for weed control. Weeds, we all hate them, right? But instead of reaching for chemical sprays, try using something a little gentler. Vinegar. White vinegar works wonders as a natural weed killer. Just spray it directly on those stubborn weeds and watch them wither away without harming your other plants. Tea bags for soil enrichment. Your tea break just got even better. Used tea bags are a hidden gem for your garden. Bury them in the soil and they'll break down, releasing nutrients while helping restore moisture. It's like a mini boost for your soil every time you finish a cup. Aloe vera for rooting plant cuttings. Propagating plants is one of my favorite things, and aloe vera makes it much easier. Just dip your cuttings in fresh aloe vera gel before planting them in the soil. The natural rooting hormones in aloe vera will help speed up the growth process and give those cuttings a strong start. Milk as a fungicide. Got powdery mildew or other pesky fungal problems? Try this gentle solution. Mix some milk with water and spray it on the affected areas. It's a natural fungicide that works wonders and won't harm your plants. Plus, it's safe for you and the environment. Epsom salt for greener leaves. If you want your plants to have vibrant, lush green leaves, Epsom salt is your go-to. It's rich in magnesium, which helps plants produce more chlorophyll. Just dissolve a tablespoon in a gallon of water and feed it to your plants for a noticeable difference in color and health. Use cardboard for weed suppression. Weeds can really take over, but here's a trick that works like magic. Lay down some old cardboard over your garden beds. It blocks sunlight, preventing weeds from sprouting while keeping your soil moist. As the cardboard breaks down, it enriches the soil. Aspirin for stronger plants. Here's a fun one. Aspirin. Dissolve a tablet in water and give your plants a little drink. It helps boost their immune system, making them more resistant to diseases and environmental stress. It's like a vitamin for your plants. Reuse toilet paper rolls for seed starting. Don't throw away those empty toilet paper rolls. They're the perfect size for starting seeds. Fill them with soil, plant your seeds, and when your seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole thing directly in the ground. The rolls will biodegrade, making it an eco-friendly option. Hydrogen peroxide for healthy roots. Hydrogen peroxide is a miracle worker when it comes to healthy roots. Add a little bit to your watering can to help aerate the soil and promote strong root growth. It's an easy way to give your plants a breath of fresh air. Use newspaper for mulching. Finally, Let's talk mulch. Instead of buying mulch, try using old newspapers. They're perfect for retaining moisture and suppressing weeds. Plus, they break down over time, adding nutrients to your garden. Just layer them around your plants and top with a little soil or compost. And there you have it! 15 magical gardening hacks that are easy to do and will help your garden thrive like never before. Give these a try and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!